Well, so this morning has proven to be a very challenging day. It's day after a snowstorm, and yeah, we're dealing with the aftermath, so to speak. So I've already done 4 trailers already for the morning in terms of delivering the freight. So this is my actual route that we're gonna do, and I'm gonna back into it. I get this trailer every day for my route. It's a lift gate. Hopefully I can get under it because it seems to be very slick and icy. The other one, I had to dig that one out. Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, this is gonna hurt, but it's the only way I'm gonna build up enough traction to, there we go. I hate doing that, but with the ice on the ground, this will not get under it and latch that kingpin properly. All right, so let's go hook this puppy up. She's hooked. Get on up there. Got a packed trailer today. Well, it's been more packed before, but today it's exceptionally full for a winter day. I am anticipating that this freight isn't going anywhere. I just want it to go to just be held in place. I don't want it to fall. she's not gonna fall, but just in case. Finished the pre-trip on my trailer. I've already done the tractor 15 million times today. Alright, heading to our first stop. This is a farm. Oh, and the pickup's starting to roll in. Snow that's on the ground. But cars won't let me do it, you know. So, being a professional driver, you have to wait and allow them to do what they gotta do. Technically, I was at the intersection first, but to avoid an accident, I don't make my turn because the other guy would have probably realized too late, and he would have had to back up, or the lady behind him wouldn't have realized that he's stopping short, and then she would have rear-ended him. So when it comes to driving, people are like, oh, it's just driving. Well, it's actually more than that. You know, you got to anticipate other drivers' moves. You got to make the roadway safer. So we got another truck here delivering. So we're gonna have to wait. All right. So he just got done, and I'm going to move my truck out of the way to allow him to get by me. And we're gonna do the little dance. So I'm gonna do a blind side back into the dock here. So there's a little clearing over here in the snow for the for the dock plate, which I'm going to try and get to. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna be completely 100%, but we're gonna try it. Let's go get these two pallets off. Yeah, please.
You just gonna grab that side, I'll grab this side.
All right.
So you put it right down?
Yeah. I appreciate you. There
you go.
Perfect.
Cool.
Thank you. Such a nice guy. It's one, and then that's two. And the trucks are lining in. Just double check this is for them. Yep. Hey, what's up? Good morning.
I gotta come back. I gotta stamp it, buddy.
Oh, no problem. So it's two of them.
Yep.
I appreciate it. I'm not gonna go in. It's nice and warm in here.
Mister?
All right, appreciate you.
Yeah, have a
The
Deal.
top pieces are mine.
Okay, just the top two?
No, the other, the other top two. Other top four, sorry.
These are yours.
Yes.
Got it. I guess so. That's what you said you want me to stack, right? That's what you came up to me and said that they wanted me to stack. What is it? I thought stacking was what you're doing. No, stacking is picking the order. Oh, why does it say that? So that you can just help put the stuff away if you want. Yeah.
All right. So.
I just signed it this.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it. Thank you. On to the next stop. Do, 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 do. All right, pulling into our next stop of the day. This is a hazmat load. Is he leaving? Put this puppy in there. Get this load off real quick. A little bit off. Let's square her up. Hard left, medium right, and left again, and then back already. There we go. Well, after what seemed like an eternity, we finally made it through the light. And now we're about 2 minutes away from our drop-off point, which is also a pickup point. Yeah, this place I come to often. They're really nice people on the inside. Never really busy there in terms of trucks when I come here, but then again I see trucks in and out of there all the time, just like one come in, then another one come in as that one's leaving. At this spot, we dock at door 10. That's the spot that we get, which is right around the corner here. We're gonna do a 45-degree back into this door. Line is hard to see, but I think we got him. Yeah, I think we got it. A little off, but we'll get it. There's another carrier right there. We arrived. Let's go inside.